This is your lead scientist, Miss Shirley. Today's lesson is on how do sticky burrs help with pollination. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to understand how sticky burrs help in pollination. In our last class, we read some passages and explored this video about pollination. We learned about facts about how plants and animals need each other in a habitat and how plants make new and young plants with the help of animals. Let's introduce some words we need to learn for this lesson. Let's revisit the word pollination, which is to move or carry pollen to a plant, causing the seed to be fertilized. Now the bee is pollinating the clover. Sticky burrs, that is the rough or prickly portion of a fruit or plant. They look like this. Seed dispersal, we're revisiting that word. The scattering or spreading of seeds to different places is called seed dispersal. Okay, science explorers, we're going to learn a little more about sticky burrs and how they are scattered and spread. And we're also going to investigate and explore some questions. So let's get started first with our video about sticky burrs. Please pay attention because she's telling us and explaining to us how sticky burrs spread.
My name's Lauren, and I'm an interpreter here at Royal Botanical Gardens. I love going for hikes in the fall, but sometimes I've noticed I've accidentally picked up a little hitchhiker along the way, like this little guy right here. Now this is a burr, and it is one sticky seed. Now, it's not sticky because it feels like tree sap or honey. It actually feels really prickly, but it has a very unique structure that allows it to really easily get stuck to people's clothes or to animals' fur. Let's take a closer look at how these seeds do this. This burr comes from a burdock plant, like the one that you can see here. Burdock blooms in late summer, after which the heads of the plant dry up into these brown spiky balls that we call burrs. The burdock seeds are actually hidden inside the burr, so the burr acts like a suitcase and transports the seeds to a new spreading location by getting stuck to a passing animal or person. Let's take a closer look at the shape of this burr. I'll zoom in here. Now what do you notice? What at first might look like spikes, we can see that there's actually little hooks on the end of them. Burrs use these small hooks to grab onto your clothes and to animals' fur. This hook mechanism is so effective that it inspired the invention of Velcro, which under a microscope looks almost identical to the structure of burdock you see here. Burdock isn't the only sticky seed you might find this fall. This here is Queen Anne's lace, otherwise known as wild carrot. Now you may have seen Queen Anne's lace in the summer and recognized it for its small white clustered flowers that give it the appearance of lace. Come the fall, the flowers die and the stalks curl up to protect these small oval-shaped seeds. Now this one here hasn't quite curled up so much, so we can get a really clear view of these seeds. From here, they look almost fuzzy, but let's take a closer look. Here we can see some of the fibers that are giving the seed a fuzzy appearance. Like the burr, these seeds use these little hairs to hook onto passing animals and even people. Now, Queen Anne's lace is a member of the carrot family, so let's compare it to some carrot seeds, like ones that you might plant in your garden. Now, what do you notice? What looks different? Well, these carrot seeds don't have the same fibers. Carrot seeds aren't sticky, they're smooth. Over time, as people cultivated carrots, they gradually lost their stickiness. Domesticated carrot no longer needs to get stuck to animals in order to find a new sprouting spot because people are planting them. Queen Anne's lace, on the other hand, still needs animals to disperse their seeds, so they still have these sticky fibers. Burdock and Queen Anne's lace are just two types of seeds that use their stickiness for seed dispersal. If you're interested in learning more, we have an activity for you to try out at home. Click the link in this video or visit us at RBG at Home for that and other awesome activities. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you around at Royal Botanical Gardens.
Okay, science explorers. So today we're going to watch this video called the Sticky Burr Song, and we're going to think about how sticky burrs help with pollination.
Sticky Burr. What you doing?
Hi, Mossy. Just playing my ukulele. This is my favorite.
Hey, get lost! This is my branch!
Yeah,
It is not your branch.
It is too!
yeah,
Does it have your name on it?
yeah. I mean, no.
Hey, I just saw a yellow-bellied flycatcher. It was flying around in a
this
merry
tree
circle.
doesn't look
And I
very
tried to
safe to
climb
me.
up for a better look, but then I
I
tripped
think
and
you
fell
should all
down.
get
So then I came
down.
up on spikes.
Draffle.
Sorry, did I miss anything fun? Is this a tree party?
I think we should all sing a song.
Ugh, no.
Hey, let's sing Stuck on a Tree. Yeah. Sticky Burr, you start off.
Stuck on a tree, won't somebody help me? Life can be funny, strange as can be, when you're stuck on a tree like me. Stuck on a tree, won't somebody help me? Life can be funny, strange as can be, when you're stuck on a tree like me.
Now let's try singing it in parts.
Stuck on a tree, won't somebody help me?
Stuck on a tree, stuck on a tree. Want somebody help me? Stuck on a tree, you're stuck on a tree like me. Stuck on a tree, stuck on a tree.
When you're stuck on a tree
Like me.
Great job, everyone.
Can we go now?
I'm ready for a
I have to feed my pet rock.
Okay, science explorers, let's continue. Let's explore this question. Has this ever happened to you? The person in this picture has a bunch of burrs attached to their sweater. Please share a burr story when you had a sticky burr get stuck on you. Think, think, think. Write your response, science explorers. Now, we learned that plants with burrs need living things to spread their seeds, and the plant burrs stick to the outside of the animal, and burrs act like hooks to stick the seed pod or plant part to an animal, person, or plant. The plant hangs on until the living thing removes the burr or accidentally brushes against the surface that detaches it. Now, think about, how does this seed help it move around and help with pollination? Think, 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 science explorers. Write your response. Okay, to summarize, do you think this person named Burry Man is dressed up or is a real person growing burrs on his skin? Explain your answer. Think, 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 science explorers. Write your response. Okay, science explorers, what did you think of today's lesson? Okay, science explorers, we learned today how sticky burrs help with pollination. Until the next time, ciao for now, science explorers.